guys, welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's test video for L5CE292. This is a 112,000 mile Monte Carlo SS Supercharged L67 car. Not an Intimidator, not a Tony Stewart car, just a base SS, but 112,000 miles, which is very low for an L67. Watch me struggle to open this hood. Today, Junior. There we go. The heart of the beast, the 3.8 liter Supercharged Series 2. We're going to be selling this as a dropout slash swap for a Fiero. You will get the motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness ready to rock and roll. Apparently, at some point in this thing's life, it threw a belt. As you can see, I love that, or the alternator went out. Cool little things you learn here. Overall, the car's in pretty nice condition. The hood's in good shape. Some minor swirls and defects just from brushed car wash use. Nice set of the, not the chrome clad, but kind of those Durabrite looking 17-inch wheels specific to the SS. Open this up here. Nice black leather seat. These are power and heated. Let's test the heat functions real fast. Let's just see what they do. Hey, it looks like they're working. It would have aired out and kicked them off by now. We're going to be selling these complete as a set, front and rear. There's the rear seat. Replace your roached out 200,000 mile ones or upgrade your base Monte. Keep moving along here. This car does have the SS ground effects. We're going to be selling them all. Nice complete rear bumper, rear lid with the spoiler. Nice driver quality taillights. All the parts on this car, guys, are very nice driver quality. I'd put these on your wife's car. Let's go ahead and step inside. Oh, low brake fluid. Oh, we got no brakes. No brakes, boys? Oh, yeah, the heated seat works. All right, guys, I am not going to try the brakes. I just don't feel like wrecking a car in the test video, but let's go ahead and rev it up. Race spec. Go ahead and test all the accessories here. Oh, air conditioning's working. So if you buy this swap, the AC works. We know the compressor works. We'll plumb it into your Fiero. Turn that down. Let's go ahead and test the radio out. Radio's working well. Overhead console's working. Let's go ahead and test that sunroof. Pops. Oh, there she goes. External slider. I did not know that. I think that's a little Ariana Grande on the radio. My favorite. Let's go ahead and test the windows out. We got down. That side went down. Hi, Lee.
Howdy, buddy.
And we got up. Ooh, the passenger up is no bueno. Let's see if it's the switch. It's the switch. We're gonna have to delete that driver's master window switch. Guys, this is why we test everything. You know, we wouldn't sell it if we didn't think it was good. As you can see, the window switch failed. We're just gonna go ahead and delete that. Nice loaded tilt column on this thing. Nice and tight. That's the old 220-pound test. Nice glove box here. Supercharged SS. We'll go ahead and shut it down here. Door panels are in very good condition as well. Like I said, guys, a lot of really good parts off of this unit. If you're looking for anything or the L67 swap, I'm gonna have a link in the description below to our website, www.jandjautowrecking.com. You can also give us a follow and like on social media at j&jautowrecking. And please subscribe to our YouTube, guys. We're gonna be doing some giveaways and a lot of cool stuff in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. That's gonna wrap it up.